22 ways to earn passive income. Making money will
highly relevant to your website. 4. Put your photography to work on the web. Do you like photography? If you do, you may be able to convert it into a passive income source. Photography websites such as Shutterstock and iStock Photo can provide you with platforms to sell your photos. They may offer either a percentage or a flat fee of each photo that is sold to a site client. In this way, a single photo could represent a cash flow source since it can be sold again and again. You simply need to create your photo portfolio, put it on one or more photo platforms, and then the activity becomes completely passive. All the technicalities of the photo sales are handled through the web platform. 5. Purchase high dividend stocks. By building a portfolio of high dividend stocks, you can create regular passive income at an annual rate that is much higher than what you get on bank investments. Just as important, since high dividend stocks are stocks, there is always the potential for capital appreciation. In that way, you can earn passive income from two sources: dividends and capital gains. You will need a brokerage account to purchase these stocks and complete the research needed. 6. Write an ebook. This can be a lot of work up front, but once the ebook is created and marketed, it can provide you with a passive revenue stream for years. You can either sell the ebook on your own website or offer it as an affiliate arrangement with other websites that provide content related to your ebook.
7. Get cash back rewards on credit cards. There are credit cards that provide cash back rewards ranging anywhere from 1% to 5% of the amount purchased. You're going to be out shopping and buying anyway, right? Rewards will give you an opportunity to earn some passive income in the form of reduced algo from doing what you would do anyway. We recently started being mindful of collecting reward points on our cards, especially since we like to travel. In the past year, we've been able to use our reward points to pay for 9 round-trip flights and few nights in a hotel. Now that's what I'm talking about. 8. Sell your own products on the internet. The possibilities here are endless. You can sell just about any product or service that you like. It could be a product you have created and can manufacture on your own, or it could be digital in nature, such as software, DVDs, or even instructional videos. You can set up a dedicated website for this product or service, unless of course you have a website or blog already in place. Alternatively, you can also sell it on an affiliate basis, either by offering it direct to websites and blogs related to your product or service, or through a platform such as ClickBank. You can learn to sell products online too and make quite a bit of money. While it's not entirely passive, it's certainly more passive than getting up and heading out the door to work every morning. 9. Invest in real estate. This probably falls more in the category of semi-passive income, since an investment in real estate is always at least a little bit of an active venture. Still, once you have a property that is established and fully rented, it's mostly a matter of managing the property and keeping it performing well. Additionally, there are professional property managers who can manage your property for you, usually for around 10% of the monthly rent. This professional management can make the investment much more passive, but will take a bite out of your cash flow. According to Brandon Turner, an active real estate investor and co-host on the popular Bigger Pockets podcast, the key to success with rental properties is buying Fund is managed by professionals, so you never have to get involved. One of the big benefits of investing in REITs is that they typically pay higher dividends than stocks, bonds, or bank investments. You can also sell your interest in a REIT anytime you like, which makes it more liquid than owning real estate outright. 15. Become a business silent partner. You know of a successful business that needs capital for expansion. If so, you can become something of a small-time angel investor and provide that needed capital. But rather than offering a loan to a business owner, you instead take an equity position in the business. In this way, the business owner will handle the day-to-day operations, while you will act as a silent partner who also participates in the profits of the business. 16. Become a referral source. Every small business needs referral sources in order to maintain sales. Make a list of small business providers that you use on a regular basis and feel you can recommend to others without reservation. Then contact the owners and see if they have any kind of cash referral offers available. You can do this with accountants, landscapers, electricians, plumbers, carpet cleaning services. The list is endless. Keep a list of these businesses and be ready to refer them to your friends, family, and coworkers. You can earn a fee on each referral just from talking to people. Don't overlook referral programs at work either. If your company offers a referral bonus for either new employees or for new customers, then take advantage of that plan. It's easy money with virtually no work. 17. Rent out unused space with Airbnb. Airbnb is a concept that has only been around for a few years, but it has exploded around the globe. Airbnb allows people to travel all around the world and to stay in accommodations that are a lot less expensive than traditional hotels. They do this by staying with participating Airbnb members who rent out part of their homes to travelers. By participating in Airbnb, you can use your residence to accommodate guests and earn extra money just for renting out space in your home. Paula Pant, cubicle renegade of FortAnything.com, took a stab at making extra money renting out locations exclusively through Airbnb. Her Airbnb experiment netted her an extra $19,000 in revenue in one police visit. How much you will make will depend upon the size and condition of your home and your location. Naturally, if your home is located in a high-cost city or close to a popular resort, your income will be much higher. It's a way of earning money on space in your home that might just be sitting empty otherwise.
18. Build an app. Apps can be an incredibly lucrative income source. Think about how many people today have smartphones. Come on, it's just about everybody. People are downloading apps like crazy and for good reason. Apps make people's lives easier. Whether it's an app that helps people put together nice pictures for their blog or an app that keeps track of tasks, there are helpful apps out there for everyone. You might be asking, if there are so many apps out there, why would you want to attempt to create an app? Isn't there a lot of competition? Well, yes, but fresh creative ideas can win. If you can come up with something unique, you can make quite a bit of money. Simple yet unique apps can be pretty passive. Don't know how to code? No problem. First, you can learn. Second, you can hire a developer to build your app based on your idea. This could end up being an expensive option, although it will probably yield a professional-looking app. The end result is an app that has the potential to make you some relatively passive income. Don't downplay the idea to build an app, it's a good one. 19. Create an online course. Everyone is an expert at something. Why not create an online course about your passion? My buddy Ramit Sethi at IWillTeachYouToBridge.com is an expert at creating online courses. He has made an insane amount of money selling his lessons. Most people would be happy making a fraction of what he makes online. There are a number of ways you can produce and host your own online course. One very simple way is to use a website like Udemy.com. Udemy has over 8 million students and is a great way to get your content in front of others for their consideration. Once you create an online course, it can work for you while you sleep. What do you put in your online course? Good question. You can add video lessons, checklists for completing steps you recommend in your video lessons, small ebooks to supplement the lessons, audio files for people listening while traveling, informative interviews with like-minded experts, and a whole bunch more. In fact, you can create several packages at different price points. Some people will want everything, so you can include the works for the highest price point and then have 2 lower price points so that you can receive the largest possible volume of orders. 20. Make an online guide. If writing articles or creating videos isn't your thing and you want to make money online, try creating an online guide. A good example of this comes from Pat Flynn's website, securityguardtraining.com. On the website, he has a map of the United States that allows someone to click on any state to see the security guard requirements for that state. By providing specific information in a guide-like format, you can make money through some of the means already addressed. Advertisements through Google AdSense, affiliate links, and even memberships you can sell from your online guide. It's a fantastic idea.
21. Outsource most if not all of your business needs. If you're spending too much of your time on an existing business running it yourself, why not outsource most if not all of your tasks? Yes, it will require you to give up some control, but in many businesses it's the only way to free up your time so you can focus on other tasks that will result in more income. If you don't want to hire employees, consider hiring freelancers who work as contract laborers. Look for freelancers with a strong work ethic who provide quality results. Here's a list of tasks that you might want to outsource: bookkeeping, writing, web design, editing, task management, social media marketing, and so much more. Yes, many people can turn their existing businesses into passive income businesses. As long as the main product or service isn't something only you can do, you can transform your business into a passive moneymaker. 22. Make money for tasks you do anyway. Yes, you can make some money doing some of the things you're already doing. For example, Inbox Dollars allows you to make money by playing games, shopping online, searching the web, and more. Swagweeks also allows to make money doing similar activities. It's amazing. Take advantage of these websites and make some extra money. That's it. These were the 22 ways to earn passive income while you sleep. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more financial tips.